Hey, what is going on? I am Haris. Welcome back to my brand new After Effects tutorial. Today we are going to create this If you are first time here, you wanna learn how to grow your After Effects skills and all types of related stuff, make sure hit the subscribe button so you don't miss anything. First of all, create a new composition and rename it to main comp. As always, I am using the preset maybe 9020 by 1080 and frame rate 30 and 6 duration is enough. Then create a new solid and rename it to particles and click the make comp size and press OK. Then go to effect and presets. If you don't see the effect and presets tab, go to Windows and check the effect and presets and search for CC particle world and double click it to apply on a particles layer and go to the effect control, go to guides and uncheck all the guides, something like this. Then go to the birth rate and hit this stopwatch icon to add a keyframe and make it to be 0 and go around 1 second forward and change it around 2 and then go around 2 seconds forward and change it to be 0. Then go to the physics and change the gravity around 0. Then go to the physics and particle type, maybe motion polygon, and change the color. Where do you want? I am going with red color. Now our basic animation is ready. Now go to the ellipse tool and double click it. At that time I am using the fill color may be transparent and stroke may be red color and 20 pixel is enough. And go to the shape layer, ellipse path 1 and uncheck this link and make it 1600 by 1600. Then go to the add, trim path, go to the trim path, add a keyframe and both may be 100 and go to the first frame and change it to be 0. Now drag the keyframe little bit so we can see the animation. Now select all the keyframe, press F9 to easy use those keyframes. Go to the graph editor and change the curve something like this and make sure I am editing speed graph. Now it's look much more better. Now duplicate the layer by pressing Ctrl D or Command D on a Mac and press S to open up the scale properties and scale it something like this and change the stroke properties to little bit. And press U to open up the all keyframe and drag the keyframe something like this so we can easily separate the both layer. And then again duplicate the layer and scale it where do you want and drag the shape layer something like this. Now our first animation is ready. Now select all the shape layer and pre-compose them by pressing Ctrl Shift C or Command Shift C on a Mac and rename it to line 1. Then again go to the ellipse tool and double click it, go to the shape layer, ellipse path 1 and uncheck the link and size may be 1600 by 1600, go to add, trim path Now at that time both may be 100, then go to the 2 second forward and change it around 0. Now again drag the keyframe. Now select all the keyframe, press F9 to easy use those keyframe. Now go to the graph editor and change the curve something like this. And and drag it little bit. Now again duplicate the layer and scale it something like this. Now select all the shape layer and recompose them and rename it to line 2. Now our animation is ready. Ramp preview this. Now go to the project window and drop the logo to be our timeline area and recompose it and rename it to logo. And please note, hit this cube icon so we can make logo 3D. If you can't see the switches tab, right click it, go to columns and select the switches. Now press S to open up the scale properties and add a keyframe. Then press R to open up the rotation properties and add a keyframe. Now press U to open up the all keyframe. Drag the keyframe around 1 second. I am doing some randomness. You can take a time and choose your own animation. Now drag the last keyframe, then rotate it little bit so we can get more depth of our animation. Now ramp preview this. Now select all the keyframe, press F9 to ease those keyframe. Then our animation is ready. Go to the text tool and type the text where do you want. Go to the character tab and font style may be regular to bold. You can also download this font in the description area for free. Now go to the align tab and align it to the center. Now go to the 2 second and 10 frame. Select the both layer text and logo layer. And now I think it's not looking good. Go to the 1 second and 10 frame and drag it to be there. Now go to the text tool and press P to open up the position properties and add a keyframe. Then go to the logo and press P to open up the position properties. Now go to the 2 second forward and text may be moved downward and logo move upward. Now select all the keyframe, press F9 to ease those keyframe. Go to effect and presets and search for slow fade on and drop it to the text layer and press U to open up the all keyframe and drag the keyframe around there. Now select all the keyframe, press F9 to ease those keyframe. Now we need to add a background for our animation. Go to layer, new solid and rename it to BG for our background and drag the background layer to below the all layer so we can see the animation. Now go to effect and presets and search for gradient ramp and drop it to the background layer. And I am going with first color maybe red and the second color maybe black is good. Now drag this keyframe to be center and the second keyframe to out of the screen. You can choose your own setting. I am just giving the idea of animation. And go to the ramp shape and change it to radial ramp and change blend with original. Around 40% is enough. Now it's look good to me. Ramp preview this. So our animation is complete. I will see you in the next week. Hope you guys enjoy this video. Like, share and subscribe to get more and more videos.